Okay, so you get to site, your system isn't auto leveling. What's wrong? Okay, if that ever happens, if you hear the pump whirring, it's worth having a look at your circuit board. There's an LED display in there, and it might tell you there's something wrong, i.e. that it can't auto level, okay? In that situation, what you need to do is you need to manually level. So I am going to show you how to operate your system manually, but whilst the jacks are down, I am going to point out a very important feature, okay? So in manual mode, you press, again, handbrake's not engaged. You can actually adjust just the singular jack on our system, which is fantastic. However, the only time we recommend you use it is when all 4 jacks are down and if you need to make a minor adjustment. So for example, you've leveled on a rock, something like that, then basically you can adjust the 1 jack. We must stress, do not ever put down 1 jack on its own. For example, to change a tire, you always want to bring the system down in pairs where possible. Okay, to manually level, you select manual. Again, it's asking you about the handbrake. We know it's released. And then basically you have a choice here. You can't just press the buttons and it'll react. That's a safety feature. So what we do is we need to tell it what we want it to do. So, for example, if I want to change a tire, what I'm going to do, safe practice, is I'm going to bring the jacks down, and now I have the chance to basically select what I want it to do. I'm going to press and hold the back because I want it to work in pairs. And now the system is going to come down. If I was to take any finger off, the system will stop. Okay, so I'm going to press and hold again. And what you would ideally want to do is get it to the points where the jacks are on the floor. Obviously, if it's a tire change, you want to go a bit further. But if your ground is uneven, then all you want to do is bring it down slightly, engage with the floor, bring the front down, and then you sort of want to start looking at your side to side once all jacks are down on the floor. So once everything's down, you make your finer adjustments until you're happy.